Hi, Scott Jordan here for Aerix Laboratories, and today we're going to talk about the Aerix Refresh aerosol replacement system. And why would you want to replace aerosols? Well, let's talk about some of the pluses and minuses of aerosols. On the plus side, they're easy to use. You can just use them. The can works usually every time. They dispense very small particle size. They're ready to go when you need them. The negatives are they're costly to use, mainly because of that packaging and everything involved. Sometimes they're not that great for the environment, and some products have propellants that are highly flammable. So there's a lot of negatives there. The Aerix Refresh solves all those problems and kind of accentuates the positives of an aerosol system. So we start out with a super concentrate. This is packed in a meter bottle, and all you do is tilt it over and it gives you 1 ounce of the product. You put 1 ounce in your Aerix Refresh sprayer, and that's it. You get 32 of these per quart. So that's equal to 32 aerosol cans. And this is a very unique sprayer in that it puts out a controlled amount. So it's not a typical trigger sprayer where you have to pump it a couple times to get it to work. You press it once and it puts out a controlled amount of that fantastic fragrance and aerosol into the air. And it puts it out in a particle size that in some cases is actually smaller than you would get with an aerosol. If you need a little more, if you press it twice, it puts out 2 times of the amount that you get with one sprayer. So it's not a continuous flow. It's going to give you a measured amount each time you pull that sprayer. Fantastic. So where do you use this product? You can use it in conference rooms, just like this room here. So you had 10, 15 people in here and you just had a meeting and everybody moves out. You want to freshen the room, shoot a spray into there, everything, all the odors are gone. You can use it in kitchens, bathrooms, hotels, cars, all those areas where you want the convenience of an aerosol, but you don't want the cost involved with it. Let's talk about the cost a little bit. Again, you've got 32 of the refills per quart. Average cost suggested resale brings it down to 9 cents per ounce, so that's 81 cents for a container in this Aerix Refresh sprayer here. So that's 81 cents. Compare that to what your current cost on your aerosols is. I don't know what you're paying, but I doubt you're paying 81 cents per container. Probably $2, $3, $4, $5, maybe even $6 per container, depending upon what product you've got. So you got 81 cents. So let's talk about the way it's packed. It's packed 2 quarts and 2 sprayers, and we have 2 different versions of this product currently. We have Mountain Mist and Blue Skies. Both contain aerosol odor counteractant, and you can watch a separate video about how aerosol works. I won't go into that now. So 2 quarts and 2 sprayers. We also put it up with 6 empty pre-labeled sprayers. So you've got this quart and you've got 32 potential bottles to fill up, and you have a bunch of made carts or a bunch of different areas in your facility where you'd like to have these sprayers around where people can use them when it's convenient. We sell 6 pre-labeled empty Aerix Refresh sprayers. And then lastly, we also put up a demo trial kit, which is 2 filled containers of 1 Mountain Mist and 1 of the Blue Skies. We also include a blotter, and this is a nice way to demo the product or allow your customers or yourself to spray it on the blotter. Instead of spraying it in air, you can spray it on the blotter. That way you can hand it to the person, or you can smell it yourself instead of spraying it in air until you're sure which one of the products you want to go with, Mountain Mist or the Blue Skies. So those are included in there as well. You can get more information on the product itself online at aerixinfo.com. Download your product sheet, MSDS, any other information, or talk to your local distributor as well. Again, that's at aerixinfo.com. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Thanks.